You are going to love the 2017 Murano. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, ventilated front seats.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.